Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So in this video, I will show you how to use incognito mode or a private window in ChatGPT. So whatever you are going to search, it will be auto deleted. Like we have it in a browser like a Chrome, like incognito or a private window. So whatever you are searching, it is getting deleted. In same way we have it in ChatGPT. So how to use that, I will show you in my mobile screen. So open ChatGPT, and once you will open, okay, so I will open a new window here. So once you will open, on the top right side you will see this chat icon is there. You have to click on this. So once you will click on this, you can see temporary chat. Memory is disabled for this chat and it won't appear in your history. So whatever you search, testing temporary chat, I will click, I will go back, and you will not find anything related to the things that you have searched. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.